He forgot the fucking first fucking step. Took the fucking seats out, and he's like, I'm like, how do I put this on? He's like, oh, I forgot the rails.
I don't know how to use this. What is up, motherfucking guys? We out here. So today we got another project. I got new seats. How you feel about that?
Exciting.
They're here. Braum's. But yeah, today I'm here with my dog, Sebas. No me expones, por favor. And we're gonna be showing you guys how to do it. Well, he's gonna be, because I never work in my car. So what have you done so far?
It's out. Just taking those 4 bolts.
The first step.
Yep.
I'm gonna take
2
all
in the
4
front,
bolts.
2 in the back, and then.
Finally, I'm working on my car. It's disconnected. Imagine. Take this bitch off.
VQ problems.
Powered by Boca Rap Pro. Shout out to my people. Get to work. Work, slave. And yeah, for those of you who don't know, who don't follow my Instagram, don't follow my social media, I'm probably gonna be getting a new rap soon. So I got everyone at the meets sign this one. We got Matthew right here, Morimoto. We got a bunch of stuff. I don't even know like what's on this car anymore. It's just a lot of shit, so that's cool. Alright, so now we're getting the airbags off. There's just one thing, right? You gotta disconnect?
3.
3.
The lights, airbags, and your power.
So that's how you know when I get the new seats on the car, there's gonna be an airbag light.
He's already putting excuses out.
I'm
gonna have a check engine light.
But it's okay, race car, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, and I took a video about it, but I haven't posted it yet. But by the time this is out, that video is probably gonna be out as well. Sebastian went on bags. Finally, he's one of the boys. And yeah, oh yeah, he's also a trader. He took the speed limits banner off and he put up vandals. Oh, come on, bro. So yeah, I got the white harness bar. I got white harnesses on the way, but they're not here yet. They get here tomorrow, but we're probably gonna be putting the harness bar today and the seats, of course.
Doing all of it.
Yeah, because I don't have the harnesses yet. So we're probably gonna be, I don't know where we're gonna put those on, but hopefully soon.
Wait, I think I have a blade in my car.
Toma número 2. Alright, so we need a blade. But this guy can't find one.
Wait, I think I have some.
You got one?
Oh.
Oh, come
No.
on.
Done.
First part's done. Oh my god. Straight. Oh my god. It's out. Like every other video installing seats, I'm probably gonna get a vacuum. I'm gonna clean these up a little bit. It's not that dirty, honestly. It's just, this is foam from the seat. It's just foam. It's not that dirty. I mean, not too bad. That's Sebastian doing his thing.
Cutting shit I shouldn't be cutting.
Yeah, these are gonna be for sale on eBay for it. I'd say like $2,000. It's another day in Florida. It's hot as shit. It's like 85 degrees out.
85. It's 90.
It's 90 degrees out. But it's my only day off this week, so I have to get this shit done. You know what's up. Coming out. Yeah, throw it on that black car right there. You see what I'm saying? It's not even that dirty, bro.
No.
I'm a clean motherfucker.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, Seb. That feeling when you're making a YouTube video and you gotta go on YouTube. Pam, pam, pam. I'm a dumbass.
Hey, mama.
I left the freaking brackets at home. I got the sliders, but I forgot the brackets. So we're gonna run on Sebastian's car real quick to my house again, get the in the brackets, and we'll get back on this. Boca, bro.
Manejemos en sillitas así.
Yeah, we're going back home. Así, yeah, no seats. Heard up. God damn. God damn. Back in the pussy wagon.
Back in the pussy wagon.
Papi, we're gonna make it out of the hood.
Yes. Yes, sir. Working on it.
Working on it.
Your fucking driveway.
Not even low, bro. You don't even scrape. But yeah, we got the package. We're gonna stop by Dunkin', get some coffee. So we get that boost.
Damn, I'm a cop magnet, bro. Look at this shit. You shouldn't have made fun of us when we got it, see?
Okay, band.
Imagine having COVID. Oh my god. ¿A quién le da COVID ahorita, bro?
COVID and HIV, you're fucked, bro.
Oh my god. Estoy vlogging, say hi.
Hi.
We got a new camera. Why are you laughing, bro? We started with an iPhone, now I got a camera.
Sponsored by yours truly.
We're working on it, but my dumbass forgot something at home.
He forgot the fucking first fucking step. Took the fucking seats out and he's like, I'm like, how do I put this on? He's like, oh, I forgot the rails.
Oh my god, this guy is fucking retard.
Bro.
Alright, we're back to the iPhone. Camera died on me. We don't have the battery. But yeah, we got the brackets. We picked them up. Here they are. So now we're working on the sliders, which is gonna be like the hardest part because we gotta kind of build them. And we're figuring everything out. But yeah, this shit died. We don't have the battery, so it's alright. I'll use Seba's iPhone because my iPhone is a POS. Can hear him coming from a mile away. I can literally hear his car like from a mile away. This guy.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You can't park there, sir.
Boy Honky pulled up. It's gonna help us out. As y'all can see, he's got the same seats, same brand. I got the same harnesses. They're just gonna be white.
Put them there because I can just get
When they come in tomorrow, so yeah, but he's gonna help us out. I think he knows better than Sebas and I. Monster trucking. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. Just the hardest part is the freaking sliders because you gotta put them all together, make sure everything lines up, everything works. Also, I didn't take a video, but I did vacuum these. Not the best, but it's alright. It wasn't that dirty anyway, so there was a lot of foam from the old seats right there, and I vacuumed all that. It wasn't that dirty anyway, so we're good. Alright, so
my ass.
he found out that we had this the wrong way all this time. That's why the freaking this thing wouldn't go in.
We started at 10:30, it's already 2:30.
So I guess.
Damn. You got that video, right?
I guess this whole time, these 3 holes gotta go.
Fuck
facing
YouTube,
down.
that's why.
Yeah, because we were watching YouTube videos and they said it's supposed to be this way, but it wouldn't work. Yeah, it wouldn't work at all. So now we think these 3 holes gotta go like facing down. I'm gonna try. Sebastian's pissed off at me right now because I've been telling him this is the way. There's always one thing that you gotta figure it out. Alright. After like 4 hours, we figured it out. It's a little different. We had to find a way to make it work, because it's just, you know how we do it. You gotta do it like that. So my slider,
We did it the speed limits.
yeah, we did it the speed limits way. So my slider, instead of being here, because let me show you real quick. Hold it. The seat is like super flat right here. It's not like, I don't know, it's just weird. So the freaking, how you call it?
I don't fucking know.
Yeah, that thing, yeah, yeah, it wouldn't go up because it would hit with the seat. So it's in the back now. It works perfectly.
It's not stupid if it works.
Yeah. All right, we almost forgot my, how you call them, clips? My seat belt clips. I don't know if they're called like that, but I'm gonna need those because I don't have my harnesses yet. Yep. We just finished. It's not bolted on yet, but driver side is on. We're waiting for Juanqui to bring some stuff for the passenger seat. We still need to put everything together on the passenger seat. It's there. But yeah, we're getting everything figured out. Yeah. Alright, so after a whole day, look at the sunset. Sebastian and I have officially finished.
Almost.
It's not 100% done, but it's 80% done. They're a little bit different, but they work. They look good. They feel good. Everything's tight. They look so good. I'm so happy. And then harness bar is on. Tight. Everything's good. Don't mind my ghetto ass setup. Don't move. Only thing I need to figure it out is my wood trunk. I need to make the hole for this. We're not gonna do that today because we've been doing this the whole day. But yeah, I need to figure that out. I need to do measurements and everything, then make the holes, because this is not fitting right. But yeah, everything is on. I'm getting my harnesses tomorrow. We'll see when we're gonna be installing those. Probably, I don't know, hopefully soon. But yeah. Shout out to Sebas, my baby. Sebastian's family is here. No, no había falta.